Hey everyone, welcome back to Random Code. In today's video, we're going to unlock the secrets of Photoshop's selection tools. These tools are some of the most powerful features in Photoshop, and mastering them can really speed up your workflow. We'll cover how to use Marquee tools, rectangular and elliptical, mastering Lasso tools, regular, polygonal, and magnetic, the difference between quick selection and magic wand, how to combine multiple selections for advanced editing. So let's dive in and make your selection skills even sharper. Let's start with one of the simplest yet most useful selection tools, Marquee tools. There are two types, rectangular and elliptical. To use the rectangular Marquee tool M, simply click and drag to create a rectangular selection. This is perfect for selecting squares or rectangles in your image. For the elliptical Marquee tool, hold down the Shift key while dragging to create a perfect circle.
Pro tip: to reposition the selection while dragging, hold down the spacebar. This allows you to move the selection without affecting its size.
You can also use feathering in the options bar to soften the edges of your selection for a more seamless blend. Next, let's move on to Lasso tools. These are great for making freehand selections. You have three options here. Lasso tool L, the basic one, where you click and drag to draw any shape. Polygonal Lasso tool for straight edge selections. Just click along the edges to create your selection. Magnetic Lasso tool. This one's amazing for selecting objects with clear edges. As you move your cursor along the edge, it will snap to it, making the selection process super easy.
Small blue diamond pro tip: use the Polygonal Lasso tool to create sharp, angular selections in a snap.
The Magnetic Lasso tool works best when selecting high contrast edges, such as a subject against a solid background. Now let's compare two very popular selection tools, Quick Selection and Magic Wand. The Quick Selection tool is like a paintbrush. Just click and drag to paint over areas you want to select. The tool automatically detects edges and adjusts the selection. The Magic Wand tool selects areas of a similar color with just one click. It's perfect for selecting a uniform color or background, but sometimes requires adjusting the tolerance setting to get the best result.
Pro tip: use the Quick Selection tool for more complex selections, and the Magic Wand for quick, uniform areas.
Lastly, let's talk about combining selections. You can combine multiple selections to create more complex ones. To add to a selection, hold down the Shift key while selecting another area. To subtract from the selection, hold down Alt Option on Mac while clicking.
And that's a wrap on the ultimate guide to Photoshop selection tools. Now you're ready to make perfect selections and take your Photoshop skills to the next level. Speech balloon question of the day: which selection tool do you use the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss another tutorial. See you in the next one.